This presentation is Module 1 of Chem for Bio at Northern Virginia Community College Annandale campus. In this presentation, we will look at why we study chemistry and biology courses. When you signed up for your biology class, perhaps you thought you would be studying cool animals like this wolf, learning about how they hunt or how they affect other species. Or perhaps you were thinking more about plants, learning how trees grow so tall or how plants can survive in extreme environments. Or maybe you thought biology was going to be all about studying humans, learning about human anatomy and physiology, the basics of our genetics, and factors affecting population growth. But instead, you're sitting in a biology class, and all you're hearing is chemistry. Your professor is talking about molecules, and atoms, and solutions, and molarity. It's only natural to want to know why. Why are you sitting in biology class learning chemistry instead of biology? Allow me to break it down for you. Start with this cat. Take a good, close look at the face of this cat. Look even closer. Focus on the nose. And look even closer still. Can you see it yet? The reality is these photographs can't get you close enough. But the cat's nose is made up of cells, just like you are. Your cells are numerous and varied in appearance. For example, this picture shows what human cheek cells look like under the microscope. You could recreate this image with your own cheek cells if you swabbed the inside of your mouth, wiped the swab onto a slide, and put it under one of our microscopes. But really, even that isn't close enough, because cells are made of macromolecules, which is a big word that means large molecules. The thing is, while they're large in chemistry terms, they're still too small to see with the naked eye, or even with a light microscope. The image here shows the cross-section of a cell membrane, like one you would find in a human cell, with a focus on showing some of the macromolecules that make up the cell membrane. Each cell membrane is really a gathering of individual macromolecules, like phospholipids, proteins, and cholesterol. And when you get down to the nitty-gritty, macromolecules are made of atoms. DNA is just one example of a macromolecule. If you look at the structure of that DNA double helix, what you'll find is covalently bonded atoms. Atoms including hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and phosphorus, all interacting with one another to make up your genetic code, to make up you, to control everything from your eye color to how many kidneys you have and where they are located in your body. So why chemistry? Chemistry explains how atoms and molecules interact. If we understand these interactions, we can then understand the form and function of living organisms. We can understand how things like oil and water fail to mix and why that matters to a living organism. We can understand things like how chemicals impact the human body. The molecule you see at the right is a caffeine molecule. If you're getting sleepy watching this video, perhaps you're reaching for a cup of coffee, tea, soda, or an energy drink. All of those contain caffeine, a stimulant that helps keep us alert. It is the molecular shape of that molecule that allows caffeine to have the impact that it does on our body. In the next modules, we will walk you through the foundation of chemistry that you need in order to understand biology.